Today's adventures, we did a lot so far today. We got a lot more to do. 2 more days worth of work too. These are the soda lines. Ripped those out the wall. They were all ran, so we did that. I'm gonna have to insulate this pipe, which is what this white thing is. These units right here are for the stoves and the grills. We just moved this one over. We just moved this one right here over. Now we're gonna move this one over and this one over, all to face the wall. This right here was where the soda line was. It was in here. I still gotta cut up a little bit, but I went to go do it right here and the entire fucking roof fell on my head.